Today is a very big day because we start a new Masechta. Daf Hayomi, today we start Masechtas Makkos. So I'm going to talk a little bit from the greatness to learn every day a little bit Gemura. The Rebbe says, if a person learns Gemura every day, this is the best protection for the Yetzer Hara. The Rebbe says this malach, this clipper that comes to a person to make him fall in not good things, to do sin with Pagama Bris, the name from the clipper is Lamed Yid Sof. The Rizal says you're not allowed to say out from your mouth the names from the bad maluchim, bad angels, because when you talk from them, you invite them. They come to you. It's not good. Malach Mechua, Malach Gavriya, Malach Refuel. This, but not. So they say the initials: Lamed Yid Sof. So the Rebbe says, what's the gematria? What's the cheshbon? Lamed Yid Sof. Sof is 400. Lamed is 30, Yid is 10, Lamed is 30, Yid is 10. No, out together. 480. Yes? Tuf Pai. Talmud, also Tuf, is 400. Lamed, 30. Mem, 40. Wuf Dalet, 10. It's Tuf Pai. Talmud is Tuf Pai. Talmud is against this the Yetzer Hara, the make a person should fall in and sin. If a person learns Gemura every day, Chazal says, Masechtas Kedushin, Hashem says, Beni, I create this Yetzer Hara, Berusi Yetzer Hara, create the Yetzer Hara. I'm bringing this old technology, this old names from the Yetzer Hara, smartphone, movies. But I have a solution for you. Berusi Torah Tavlan. If you are learning Torah every day, you are protected from the Yetzer Hara. If not, you're going to fall in his hands and his arms. Now, okay, I'm listening to the drusha. Very nice. You have to learn, but I don't have a mind to learn. I don't have a mind to learn. I'm not from the London. I'm not cut out for this. Yes, I'm a shoiter. All classes, the teacher said, "Yeah, you're a shoiter. You're nothing. So, what can I do to be protected from the Yetzer Hara?" The Rebbe says to learn Torah, you not have to understand what you learn. Limud Torah is not to understand. Just say the words. Take a Mishnah, take a Gemur and start saying the words. If a person hears this the first time from this Derech HaLimud, it sounds funny, it sounds nonsense. What? Saying the words, not we davening here, we saying Tehillim. This is the Rebbe. No? You're not the Bar Plikte from the Rebbe. Yeah? The Rebbe was for 200 years ago, a Baal Riech HaKodesh, a Einikel from the Baal Shem Tov, grandson from the Baal Shem Tov. And the Rebbe says in Sichas Aran, Siman chapter Ayin Vuv, Limud Torah is Beli Havuna. You understand? It's good. You're not understanding? Say the words. My Aymasai Koirin as Shma Ba'arvis Meshushaka. Start Masechtas Bruchas. Go on the row. Go outside there. Go Kisidron. No, because if a person learns a daf, now you have to chazer. You have to be chayzer. No, not chazura. You finish the whole Masechta. So what's going to be with Chazura? Wait and see. The next Masechta, you're going to finish whole Shas, now make Chazura. You're going to finish another time Shas, now make Chazura. Because they're asking, the Chazal says, Aloymet va'ayna choizer, if a person learns and not doing Chazura, how you say? Review. It's like a person plants in seeds and fruits, and the fruits comes out, he goes away, not taking the fruits. So how you say this inside the Derech HaLimud from the Rebbe, you have to learn Kisidron, not to make Chazura, not to review. No. The Rebbe has a way how to make Chazura. You finish all Mishnayos, Shishu Sidre Mishnah, now you make Chazura. We have here Bucharam. They finish. How much times you finish Mishnayos? 5 times. No, you make a chazura now. 5 times. How much times you finish Mishnayos? 7 times. Shragi, how much times you finish Mishnayos? 21 times. No? How much times you finish Mishnayos? 110. He was years, from 7, 8 years. No? Ari, how much times you finish Mishnayos? 36. Baruch Hashem. Every day you're saying Mishnayos. Befrat, no? Especially if you say 18 prukim a day, every month you finish the whole Mishnayos. This is the Derech HaLimit from the Rebbe. There are people that are making fun from this. Wow, you're saying? Come on. So what I should do in this time? I don't have a mind to learn. I don't understand learn. I don't have a chavrusa. I have 1,000 tritzim, 1,000 excuses why not to learn. So I offer you a new way to learn. Take a gemura, start saying the words. It's not limited. It's not limited Torah. So watching movies is limited Torah, huh? And reading newspapers is limited Torah, huh? What are you saying? This is not limited Torah and this is limited Torah? You're going crazy all day. A bucher in yeshiva, and not understanding the sheet. Go out and comes back. It goes out. There's a public phone in the yeshiva, so there's boys that don't understand learning, so they are like the operator. Maybe someone gonna call. Maybe they're calling from me, and maybe someone comes to me. I go out and comes back, and it's fighting, coming back, and I'm bored, and I'm take a Mishnah, start saying the words. You're gonna feel much better. You're gonna be happy. Torah makes happy, man. It's not limited Torah. My mashgiach told me that you have to understand. Okay, you have to understand. No, so understand. No, I can't understand. So I can't understand. Take the Derech HaLimit from the Rebbe. Yeah, but I have to understand. Do understand. So start learning. Yeah, but I can't learn. So take this way to learn. This is the way to when have to read some. Take the Derech HaLimit. Start the day Masechtes Makkos. Start the day the Daf HaYomi. Every day a Daf. Every day a Daf. You have a shir, it's good. Come to the shir. Why am I coming to the shir? It's a great shir in the morning here. But I don't have koyach to wake up. I'm going to sleep late. Yeah, you're going to sleep late. I'm gonna learn for myself. Understand it's good. I'm not understanding it. I'm saying the words. This is the Derech HaLimit from the Rabbi. When a person is learning, the ganze Leben tauscht sich and the whole life is changing him to good. Especially if you're married, you have a wife, and you're learning a little bit at night at home. And your wife see, wow, my husband's so great. My husband is not. There are people. They don't know what Shalom Bayis is. So they don't teach them what Shalom Bayis is. They don't stop to tailgate their wife. 24 Schuhe läuft noch, no? Für Gilly. So the wife start to get nervous from him. Inside, quietly. And the ganze Chashivas fällt darauf, wie sagt man das? The whole respect. You lose respect for a person instead of running after her, comes home, eats supper. Now what's now? Now I'm taking my gemura. The wife looks up. I bestel you have a good Shalom Bayis. You hear the Shalom Bayis drush the whole life in yeshiva. It's very important to learn a little bit in the time. A little bit. Coming home late, you're working hard, but a little bit. And supper, so what's now? So I'm here for you for supper and for ECT and for Vechili. I have to give you. So come home, learn a bissl, daven a bissl. Hashem should help. You should do the Rebbe's Eitz. You're gonna have a good life.